Hey everybody, we're going to do a quick install for bike binders. This is the dirt bike kit. A few things, or everything that you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver, 1/4 inch drill bit, the hardware that comes with the kit, Sharpie, 10mm wrench, 7/16 wrench, tape measure if you want it exactly, like if you have specific place that you want it. The first thing that you would do is if you're putting it in your truck, you want to measure from the front of the wheel to the center of the foot peg, and then you can almost just eyeball it right below the end of your foot peg. Securely fastened to the trailer or the truck or whatever you are using. You want to take the bike binder and the chain and install them. So for most big bikes, we set the chain at the 4th link, the one that you're probably going to use. Open up the quick link and put it through the binder. Flip it through into the anchor point, and then always jiggle it to make sure it's really in there. Grab the binder, put it over the foot peg, and push the pin through. Okay, so a really important step is to make sure that once the binder's on and set where you want it, you tighten this nut with the 10mm wrench. That way, as you're driving down the bumpy road, it doesn't come loose. We go to the other side, do the same thing, and your bike's totally ready for transportation.